Difference between Python datetime versus time modules. I am trying to figure out the differences between the datetime and time modules, and what each should be used for. I know that datetime provides both dates and time. What is the use of the time module? Examples would be appreciated, and differences concerning time zones would especially be of interest.
The time module is principally for working with Unix timestamps, expressed as a floating point number taken to be seconds since the Unix epoch. The datetime module can support many of the same operations, but provides a more object-oriented set of types, and also has some limited support for time zones.
Stick to time to prevent DST ambiguity. Use exclusively the system time module instead of the datetime module to prevent ambiguity issues with daylight savings time, DST. Conversion to any time format, including local time, is pretty easy. Time is a floating point number representing the time in seconds since the system epoch. Time is ideal for unambiguous time stamping. If the system additionally runs the network time protocol, NTP, daemon, one ends up with a pretty solid time base. Here is the documentation of the time module.
The time module can be used when you just need the time of a particular record. Like, let's say you have a separate table/file for the transactions for each day, then you would just need the time. However, the time data type is usually used to store the time difference between 2 points of time. This can also be done using datetime, but if we are only dealing with time for a particular day, then time module can be used. Datetime is used to store a particular data and time for a record. Like in a rental agency, the due date would be a datetime data type.
Just notice that time is more precise than datetime with an extra digit. Output.
If you want to swap,